Gogo Skoteni loves attention. She wants attention most of the times. She can create something so that people can pay attention on her most of the times. So that people can pay attention on her. She can't stay a long time without trending. She can, guys, Gogo Skeleton loves attention most of the times. When she can stay a long time without trending, she can create anything so people can pay attention on her most of the times. Last time they've got a fight with Gogoma Weni and they are trending too much. They are trending, you understand? Now she can say she is engaged to another man. Guys, nowadays I don't trust her because Gogo Scott and she can create a drama. She can create a drama so that she can trend. Guys, you are remember that Gogo Scott says she have been married to two husbands. She married to two husbands. Where is the other husband? Where she, guys, I don't trust Gogo Scott most of the times because when she create that she was married to two husbands, she wants attention because everyone was, guys, wants to know why she is married to two husbands, a woman married to two husbands. You understand? So people can pay attention on her most of the times. People can pay attention to Gogo Scott most of the times. Guys, Gogo Scott she can create anything to trend. She loves to be a celebrity most of the times. She loves to be a celebrity, guys, because she can create anything on social media. You understand it? She can create anything. Last time is the one who start fighting with Gogoma Weni, and Gogoma Weni respond to her. She loves that because especially Gogoma Weni respond to her, they start drama, and Gogoma Weni she doesn't want drama most of the times. But Scottian loves drama, guys. Last time they've got a fight with Dominic. What. Now it's another drama. You understand? She loves to trend. She can't stay a long time without trend on social media. Yeah, just because, guys, some people they love to be celebrities most of the times. They love to be celebrities. See, they can't stay a long time without trending on social media. They love to trend because the more they trend, the more they get more followers. You understand? They get more followers. They get more subscribers on YouTube or TikTok most of the times. So they can create something that people can pay attention on them